2013 Chevy Camaro stick shift V6 standard. What we got done on it for you guys. There's two converters on this side, two converters on this side. Then we took the resonator out, which is huge over there, under those two mufflers, and replaced it with two vibrants. Part number vibrant bottle style mufflers, or resonators, whatever you want to call them. Part number 1794, nice and shiny. Then we added pipe, 2.5-inch pipe. After that, to be able to fit, because the vibrants are tiny, as you guys can see. So we had to add those pipes, and we continued the true dual all the way back and did a rear muffler delete there and there, and took his mufflers off right there. They come with a flap that you just disconnect and zip tie away. And then the car will think that it's still working, but they're not. And then we put quad tips on it for them, right there. As you guys can see, there's the two mufflers we cut off and replaced them with those straight pipe. So straight pipe with vibrant bottle mufflers right there. True dual. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Wow, it's loud. There's sound decibels. It peaked at 123, guys. Gotta back it out. It's rated. Again, Tennessee life, man. Vibrant exhaust. What do you guys think? I like it. It's loud. You like it? Wow. And it's stick shift, so you can really rev it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro 2013 stick shift V6 with vibrant. And it's pouring down rain. Love it.